Suraj Kumar Sadan, level 5, section E, the British college student, and I'm going to demonstrate the supply chain management Django app. So let's start. And at first, I'm going to show you my Git commit history. So these are the 28 commits showing the development process from start to finish. And this commit shows the initial Django project setup, creating the supply chain app, adding database, implementing forms, creating views, building, adding, and documentation final for police. So total there are 28 commits showing the regular development. I will even show you in the GitHub. So right here you can see the commits have already uploaded, pushed, and now we'll see the model code. So we'll go in the models.py. Let me show you the database model I have created. So let's start with the council model at first. Right here you can see in the class council. Council model stores the government entities that post the project and has name, contact information, and a slot for the URL. Now let's see the project model. Right here you can see the class project model, and project model have title, description, location, budget, dates, and status. It's linked to the council by a foreign key as a many-to-many relationship with the service. Now let's see the contractor model. Right now you can see the class contractor, and contractor model stores the company that bid on services, includes approval status because contractor need admin before the bidding. So now let's see the bid model. Right here in this part you can see the class bid model, and bid model links contractor to a specific service and also has an amount, duration, proposal, and status pending, accepted or rejected. And right here you can see the relationship between this model, and bids are linked to both a project service and a contractor, creating many-to-many relationship. Now let's see the admin interface. For that we have to log in into the admin panel. I have already loaded that link, so I'll log in with my login credentials. So I have logged in, and now so we'll first check the council list. In the council here you can see the council registered. I have created one council just for the live demonstration named as a Wakanda Corporation. Now we'll see the project section, and here I have created one project named as Sunrise Housing Project, and each project has a timeline, status, and link to a council. Right here you can see the council name, and inside this below you can see the services needed for the project. Right here you can see the services. Now let's see the contractor section. Right here, contractor name as Bob Construction and Ram States, and inside this you can see these are the contractors who can bid. And you can also notice one thing right here in the is approved box. Only approved contractors can submit bids. Now let's see the bid section. I'll show you one of the bids. Each bids, right here you can see each bid show the contractor name, which service they are bidding on, their purpose, amount, and the status pending, accepted or rejected to. Now let's see the views and URL mapping in the code. Now let's get back to views.py for the views and the mapping section. So in views.py, let's see the project list at first. Right here. Right here you can see in the project list. The project list views display all open projects, and it also uses filters to let the user search by budget, council, or services. And it also renders the project list.html template. Now let's see the submit bid required section. So right here you can see the submit bid section. The submit bid view is protected with login required decorator. It also check if the user is an approved contractor, validates the bid form and save it through the database. Now let's check the contractor dashboard view. Right here in this section you can see the contractor dashboard. Contractor dashboard show all the submitted bids with statistics, total bids, pending, accepted, rejected, and total value won also. So now let's check the review bid section. Right here you can see the review bids request. In this part, review bids view, council staff uses this view to see all the bids for a project and accept or reject them. Now let's see the URL mapping. For this we have to go in urls.py. I have created a path and you can see in this path URLs are mapped to view here. For example, the empty path goes to project list and project with an ID goes to the project detail, and the dashboard have their own URL. So you can see this INT project service ID. This captures the ID from the URL and passes it to the view section. So now let's see the templates and inheritance. Right here you can see I have 13 files organized in the templates folder right here, and we'll see one by one. So let's get first to the base.html. So in this part, in the base.html is the parent template. It's the parent template and it has the navigation, header, footer, and CSS styling. And the content block is where the child templates insert their content, and this is the whole code. And now let's see the project list.html. Right here in this part, project list extends the base.html using this extend tag, and it fills in the title and contents block. This way the header, footer, and styling are inherited from the base.html. Now let's see the contractor dashboard.html. In this file too, same patterns here. Extends base, inherits navigation and styling. Only define the specific content for the contractor dashboard. And in this template, inheritance means I write the header and the navigation once in the base.html, and other templates inherits it, and it also makes maintenance easier. Now let's do the live demonstration of the site. So I have to start the server first. Okay, so I have already started the post, and at first I'll show you the home page showing all the open construction project. Like anyone can browse even without logging in. Like the features in the project card, you can see each project stored in the dollars, location, council, and number of service needed. If I go in the view detail section, and you can even see the sort section. User can filter by status, council, or even by the keywords. Now I'll show you the services of the project right down here. Here you can see the services like concrete work, excavation, installation, lighting, and steel erection. Each has an estimated budget and so how many bids have been received. Like in this steel erection, you can see one bid and received, and even in this you can see one bid is received in concrete works. So now let's log in as a contractor first. So I have logged in as a contractor, and I'm redirected to the contractor dashboard. Here I can see my submitted bids. Like I have submitted for this part, concrete works. You can see the status is in pending review. And now, as an approved contractor, I can now see the submit bid button on each service. Like you can see, I have just submitted bid for this part only. So you can see other are open for this contractor as an approved contractor. Now, this bid form asks for amount estimated. If I click on this, now you can see amount, estimated days, and my proposal. Like for an example, if I fill this for 20,000, number of days is 25, and for a proposal I can write I have 10 years of experience in this field. So I have filled the form. You can see the bid has been successfully submitted, and after submitting I'm redirected to the project page, and the bid is saved with the pending review as an status. I'll show you in this dashboard. You can see both the bids is in pending review. Now let's log in as a council staff to show all the project posted by the council and pending bids that need to be reviewed. So right here in another tab, I'll log in as a council staff. Council staff, yes. You can see clicking review bids, show all the bids organized by the service. You can see, and each bid show the contractor name, bid amount, duration, and status. And I can even click to their full bid proposal. You can see the contractor proposal for this bid section. And if I click on the accept, okay, you can see the service is awarded to that contractor, and all the other bids for that service are automatically rejected. So now the service shows is awarded, and if I go back to the contractor dashboard, will see the bid change to the accepted for that contractor. Now let's see the extra features I have added, like the advanced search. In the dashboard section, you can see the browse open project, and I've added this feature like a filter project. You can search by keywords or status or council name or even as a service name, you can see. So now for the user approval system, we'll log in as an admin panel and see the contractor section. So right here we have logged in the admin panel. Now we'll see the contractor section. Right here in the contractor section, extra security feature have been added. Contractor must be approved by the admin before they submit the bids, and if the is approved, like you can see, this box will be filled as approved. So now if we go to the contractor dashboard, contractor can track all their bids in one place at a real-time status. Like right here, if any other projects have been opened, they will be seen at other projects too. And dashboard, you can see another feature I have added, you can see, is every status has their own color. Like for the pending is yellow, accepted is green, and rejected is red. So we'll again go to the admin panel and click a project. Okay, and you can see like a project can be assigned a management company. Like you can see I have assigned a Keystone Management Group company for coordinating all the contractor and ensuring quality, if all the contractors are working together on this project or not. So I have assigned this company. And one more thing I have changed is All the monetary values are displayed in the US dollars throughout the system is for consistency, that's why. And okay, so everything is almost completed. And to summarize, the supply chain management system allows council to push construction project contractors to submit competitive bids on special services and provide dashboard for board to manage the bidding process. And also this system uses the Django 5.2.8 with the SQLite database and implements proper authentication and authorization, and also follows the best practices for the templates inheritance and core code organization. And thank you for watching.